welcome to Jam with Kicha, strictly for kids. Today we have another unboxing. I have a good feeling about this. Yep, I definitely have a good feeling about this. I'm so excited to open this. I'll tell you later what it is. I just want to keep it ship because I want you all to have the surprise, not only me. So let's see, where is the hole that we can open this from? It's Lego hidden inside. Whoa! This looks so cool. As you can see, I love the design, the decoration here. You can see a ghost, and I think it's a ghost car, and definitely the puppy. That's the most cutest part. Oh my God! It's like Ghostbusters, right? Don't you think? Ghostbusters. This looks so cool, and you can make your set come alive. So after this, I think I'll bring my phone and I'll download the app. Then we can watch this. I think it includes a car, like 3 people, a really cool car, as you can see, and also it includes a bike. So let's see all the other features. You can pull it down and up some lever or something. Yeah, I think that's a tow thing. It tows stuff, and I think that's a suspension, not sure. It includes these both and a ghost puppy, and this, I think it does something with the app too. And looks super awesome. You can see this ghost, it looks really awesome too. Free interactive app, Lego hidden side. So is there any, it's it's set number 70421. So this is the Lego hidden side. It is like, there are 2 sides. One is the normal way that we see the world, but if we look through a secret gadget, we can see the whole new ghost world. You can see these 2 riders are possessed by the 2 ghosts, and this is another character which I'll be showing you later. This is the awesome car that we'll be building, awesome bike, and this is a guy named Jack and someone called El something. I think he's Spanish. So it can't wait, as it also connects with your phone, so you can see all the ghosts in live action. So let's see all the characters. We have El Fuego, Jack, Spencer, I think that's the ghost puppy, Dwayne, Joey, and this is the person I was talking about, Samuel Mason. I think you can only see him in the secret camera. So I can't wait to begin. So let's begin. Packet number 1, packet number 2, and packet number 3. This is the instruction manual and the 4 tires. Alexa, play Thunder. Take a number 2. Here's me laughing, the thunder. So finally, I finished the Lego hidden inside stunt truck set. It has so many features I can't even name. For example, you can change the color of the searcher, like the gloom searcher, which you can use to search glooms. It also has one special feature which would help me a lot. Whenever you keep this for display, it might roll off. But look at this. It has a special brake which only allows it to move whenever you remove the lock. So it's like a lock here, as you can see. When you remove it, it lifts up a little bit, which in turn loses the brake. And you can go super speed. But when you put the lock, it's really hard to move it. At first I didn't understand, how do you move it? But then when I did this, I found it out. The ghost gloom capturer, which captures the glooms. It's a radio, I guess, this. It has 2 alarms here. It has a small puppy, which looks really cute. engines, a small room for driving the car, the back of backlights, and much more. And I recommend all of you to try this out. First of all, it will improve your skills in building, that's for sure. And it'll be a really fun time. Next, we have this awesome looking bike. This didn't take so much time, around I think 5-10 minutes. It's just maybe like 10-20 pieces. It's very simple, yet a cool design. And it goes really fast. And it's also two-seater. Let's move this away. Whee! Next, we have the characters. Our first character is Jack. He is a normal person wearing a hoodie with the hoodie cap on, and he's also put a cap on. He has a small scar here. He is pretty cool, chill. In the back, he has 3 red stripes, and here also 3 red stripes. He's holding a phone and I think he's screen record. See, if you see in the box, as you can see, he's actually using the phone to see the ghosts, which is really cool. Next, we have Fuego. He looks really cool, and he's like that Mexican guy who thinks he's a superhero. He's wearing a biker's helmet, and it has some cool Mexican designs on it. He's wearing a green shirt with a jacket, some tools in his pocket, and he looks like a driver guy. So then he's a really cool character. And I forgot to tell you, these characters, they have 2 faces. One, you can see, is the cool face. That means they're very confident face. But the disguise, they're pretty scared. Yeah. So this is his first really scared, frightened face. The next one is Joey. She's a villain guy who has a logo like a dead rabbit's like a chain, and she has a normal jacket vest and with some cool pants. So see, you think these are all normal characters. We have already covered all of these characters. But you would think, what's a related ghost? Because you can see so many ghosts in the cover, I mean it's the box. So I'll show you them. Let me just take them, rip their souls apart, replace them with different souls. Ghost, Joey, all these characters and the set look so cool. Now I'm just gonna play with it and I'm gonna enjoy it. So the game was awesome. We had a tutorial, then we captured some ghosts, we destroyed a ghost, and we also tried spotting some ghosts. We also used this engine thing to change the colors. I thought first when I looked at the box, I was thinking, where is the set? Where is it happening? Then I saw it was happening in a canal, like a sewer canal. The stunt bike actually went like this and then fell down onto the ground and then tried capturing the bike, but then they caught up by good ghosts. Also, we also had one more thing where you could choose different sets. For example, there are many hidden side sets, And one of the sets, there were many sets actually. One of them was high school. One of them was high school, and we had so many more sets. So the ghost experience was very exciting, as not only most games they only they give you infinite lives and you can do whatever you want. But first we thought it was like that itself. But when I looked to the upright, you could see a small charge battery thing which shows you the amount of battery you have on your shooter / like your Jeep. So then I got really scared because it was like on 5%, 4% before I finished it, and it was really tense. The ghost experience was really nice. It used to, the more damage it does. It sent this blue and green blobs, which when they attacked us, they would reduce the battery life. And the ghost itself came up right into my face. When I was playing the game, I was thinking, why was the ghost coming so close to me? Suddenly it just comes right up to my face, and that scared me really much. So I love the experience. It was like a shooter. That way you could search for the ghost, you had to find the ghost. First time I did it was a little hard, but then after that I got a little used to it. So then that's my full experience with the ghost, and it's a really nice addition Lego did. When I was just looking at the Lego set and on this table, it looks pretty plain, just a Lego set, some Lego pieces. But when I looked at it in AR, the literal whole nature was there. For example, there was a sewer road, there was greenery all over it. I think there was a bridge also, not sure. There was safety cones and so much more. It looked like it came to real life. That is, whenever you move it, after maybe half a second, it comes back. So I love how technology has evolved, and I love how Lego is, instead of just making a set and then playing with it, you can literally make it into life using technology. So thank you very much, Lego, for sending me this amazing toy. And I recommend everyone to buy this, as it's a really cool set. And I enjoy very much building this. So in your pastime, you could just sit down and enjoy building this. So bye guys. Thank you for watching KichaTube HD.